What's good, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the Bazella Forex Trading. So here are 5 forex pairs that will make you $1,000. That is $1,000. Yes, $1,000 every single day in the forex market, guys. So if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. 5 forex pairs that will make you $1,000.
Subscribe before we start.
So traders, so to be able to succeed in the forex market, you need to have forex pairs that will make you crazy amounts of money. So one of the first pairs, I think you can know it. What's your favorite pair?
My favorite one is gold.
Gold. So, and the reason for why gold, there is too much money in gold. First of all, guys, gold is not a pair that is manipulated. Gold can be manipulated because not everyone trades gold. Most of the beginner traders are afraid of gold. The biggest percentage of traders are afraid of gold. So probably gold is a no-go-to when people are looking to make money because they know they'll blow up their account. But again, it's a good forex pair to make money. Right now, what you see here, this is gold. This is gold. You see how gold it last came here in 2022. The price has come back here right now with these prices that we're having right now. So gold is a good pair to trade with because if you're someone who trades forex patterns, chart patterns, you're going to definitely see them on gold. If you're someone who trades reversals and major points in the forex market, you're going to definitely like gold. So guys, gold is a go-to, and even the pip value on gold is quite way different. It's quite very different, and you know. So guys, gold is a
very good pair
because the pip value is quite. It hits very hard.
And it's very volatile, so it's not for the weak.
It's not
Trust
for the weak,
me, you can make good money from gold. Second one, US 30.
US 30 is a
very good one.
Nice pair. Again, if you're someone who trades more of smart money concepts and demand and supply and everything like that, US 30 is the pair to go to. Because even it, first of all, it can be manipulated by the banks. You need to be analyzing the SPX 500 to analyze the US 30 because the SPX 500 affects the US 30, and also the pip value again it hits very hard. Price has been it has given us all types of structures: the uptrend market, ranging market, and sideways market consolidation, and all this price has given us the US 30 from last year even up to this year. So the thing is, for you when you're trading US 30, you need to wait for price to come to you and then you can react.
Yeah,
but if you
chase the market.
If you want to chase market when you're trading US 30 and Nasdaq and all those indices,
you go collect.
You go collect.
You go collect.
Market will hit you.
Slap you.
Guys, US 30 is a go-to if you're calm.
Yeah.
It's just like a swimming pool. Even though you don't have to swim, but again, if you're calm, you can go to the deep end, play around there. As long as you're calm, it's just being calm. Yep. So US 30, be calm. And the best time to trade US 30 is, during that market, New York market, when it opens. There's crazy money to be made there. And the reason why we know this information because we have analyzed the markets and then we know the best time to trade these current pairs during that New York market and London session. Overlap. That's when we can make the most money.
Because there is some volatility in there in the middle.
Then the other pair is USD JPY. And the reason for USD JPY is because whenever the last weeks we have seen what gold is doing, USD JPY is doing the opposite. The time where we had a rising wedge on the USD JPY and we had a falling wedge on gold. And then price broke out on the rising wedge.
Yesterday, gold was shooting up when USD JPY was dropping.
But even literally they give us even the same structures because we never have a rising wedge. Price has to break out and then sometimes give us a retest, but it's this time when the price broke out, it came back to like the major retest where price had. Even on gold, price give us a falling wedge, then it broke out, it went back to the same place and then it shot up. So probably guys, USD JPY is a nice pair to trade.
Very good one.
Yeah, it's a nice pair to trade. The other pair is Euro USD.
Euro USD. Though it is mostly traded, it is traded by a lot of people.
Yeah.
But it's also a very good one because it gives you good patterns.
Yes,
it gives you a very good structure of the market.
Yeah.
That's why it's very good to trade Euro USD.
Yeah.
You just have to be a good trader, trust me.
Yeah.
But you can make crazy money with Euro USD.
And also, it's the most traded currency pair in forex or the financial market because first of all, the dollar is the reserve currency of the world. Again, euro is used by so many big countries in Europe. Exactly. So what do you expect? It's a good currency pair to trade. Again, I've traded Euro USD from last year, but we had price moving from a downtrend. I don't know for how long, but
last year it was dropping.
It dropped until November,
and then
we started to see price shooting
up again.
I don't know. Let me even check here. I see how price is moving currently right now. But again, guys, Euro USD is a good pair to trade.
Very good.
If you're looking at making, some money. Even though there is not like really that much volatility on need, but still you can make money. Because to be honest, Euro USD will blow up your account if you're a bad trader. You blow it up. So the other pair, guys, is GBP JPY. Though for this currency pair, since most of the people like this pair because it has some volatility on it, but again, since everyone trades it, there's too much manipulation on it. So you expect people to you expect that pair to be manipulated, but again, that's nice.
That's fine.
We had gold, we had US 30, then we had USD JPY, then Euro USD. So this is our last one.
Our last one.
So guys, GBP JPY is a good pair also to trade. If you're someone who takes time to trade it, you don't have to just jump in every time when you see something. No. You need to like really wait for like those major zones where price has come to you. You need to wait for like months and months of
don't chase the market. Zone. Let the market come to you.
But every time you're just in and out. That's why you get taken out because there's a lot of manipulation. Probably even our last pair would be GBP USD because if you're looking for volatility, GBP USD is the pair for you.
Yeah.
Again, for you to trade it, you have to look at these other pairs that move hand in hand with it, like Euro USD, GBP USD, guys. So these are like really good pairs for you to trade, guys. But
so guys, what have you noticed among all these currency pairs we've told you? Only 2 are manipulated in the market. The rest are not. Gold is not. US 30 is not.
These pairs we have just told you, US 30
the last one,
and gold, they're not.
They are not.
Yeah. But these other ones are manipulated
in the market.
Like even one time someone asked me a question, I shouldn't call it stupid, but again it was more of a stupid question because someone asked me if I'm trading on a demo account, markets are fine, but when I'm in my real account market, it looks like markets are manipulated. And the reason for this is because most of the traders don't have really knowledge about this. Because if you knew what Forex is, you know that this thing is controlled by the banks and you should expect manipulation.
Exactly. You are dealing with real money to virtual money. So there is no way your feelings are attached when you are using a demo account. Trust me, if I am my advice for somebody who is trying to learn how to trade. Demo accounts, people will tell you trade in the demo until you are good. Trust me, you're not going to have the same feeling like in the real market when you've deposited your $100, your $1,000, your $500. Trust me, it's a different feeling. You will have that fear of losing money. So, and for you to overcome that fear, trust me, you're going to lose money to overcome that fear.
Yeah.
So you either lose money, overcome the fear, and then you now start making money, or you are comfortable losing the virtual money given to you by the demo accounts, and then when you come to reality, you get emotional damage.
Guys, to be honest, any pair is a good pair, but these are pairs that I personally, I don't know about Chaga, but me, I personally, I've traded this pair and I have an edge on them. But what I know, my boy has an edge on gold. Every day he has been struggling with gold, but again, I see an edge on it. He's looking at the charts and then he knows, this is what the market is going to do. And so guys,
I am not, trust me, where I'm going right now, I only want to trade gold. Only gold. Yeah. Only gold. I don't mind if I spend 1 year on gold. Because I love the volatility. I love things. I love taking risk. That is my nature. I love taking risk. Fear is one thing I never want to have. You get? So I don't mind losing the $1,000, but as long as I'm learning from every single loss I get. I don't mind blowing up an account. I don't mind as long as I've learned something new. Every time I make a loss, I have to learn. If I make a loss and I don't learn anything, that money pains me. But each time I lose money, I am always learning something. And I don't mind. Money is made. Money is made.
And actually, so don't let money is just an algorithm. So, but let's think old money. But anyway, guys, that was the video. Those are 5 Forex pairs that will make you $1,000 every single day, depending on what account size. And most cases you'll be like, how can you make $1,000 every day? So guys, I'll count for you. If I'm having a 100K account, I have a good, because most of the days price, depending on what pair that you're trading, but most pairs, when there is really much volatility in that week, like this week we have had prices moving crazy. The pairs that are moving, that can move 100 pips up, the times where gold moves 400 pips up or even down. So depending on your account size, I'm using a 1 lot size on let's say a 10K account. $100 is already 100 pips time moves already 10. That's already $1,000. So good to go. So depending on your account size, but again, applying proper risk management. I don't want us to tell me that okay, you can make $1,000 every single day, but you're not a good trader. These things take time, guys. Again, whenever you come into forex trading and you're expecting to make some money, you should also expect losing some money. Because guys, it shouldn't always be only the
This
good
is
side.
a game.
This is a game of give me, take.
Give
You
me,
always want to take the money in the
remember,
market, but
when you're making money, somebody is losing.
yeah, someone is losing money somewhere.
So you
again,
better be the wise one to take most of
Yeah.
the times and lose less.
But again, guys, those are 5 pairs that we trade: US30, gold, USD JPY, JPY, and Euro USD. Guys, make sure to subscribe and comment Euro USD so that I know that you watched this video, guys. I'll see you in my next piece.
Subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe, guys. Let's get to 100,000 subscribers before this end of the year. It looks impossible, but
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Wallahi, we're gonna make it. Bless.